External collaboration and event details. Upon creating a new event or selecting into a created event, the event details page populates. This page shows the event details and high-level information of who the collaborators are within this one event. Located within the first field, you will find all the information that was populated in the new event pop-up box. If any information is needing to be updated, hover your mouse in this top information band and move to the top right-hand corner to select the pencil. Within the host, venue, planner, caterer, and vendor fields, all parties' contact information related to this event can be found here. You will see your own information populate in the interface that you have signed up to be. Please contact support@allseated.com if you are needing to adjust the interface of your account. External collaborators will be able to be input within the remaining interface fields. To add a host or anyone who is hosting this single event, select within the plus Add Host field. Populate the host information within the pop-up box and select Next to Permissions. Being the owner and creator of this event, you will be able to set limitations for what this external collaborator can or cannot do within the created floor plans for this event. You can set the abilities to be on and off. You do have the option to set default permissions, which can be established within the Account tab. Once desired permissions are set, select Invite. This external collaborator will receive an email to the email listed. Within the email will be a link that will prompt them to either sign into their AllSeated account or will prompt them to sign up with AllSeated. To add a planner, caterer, or vendor, select the Plus Add button. Search for the external collaborator within the search bar. All existing AllSeated vendors will populate. Select the vendor's name if it populates. If you are needing to manually add the vendor, select the Invite button in the bottom of the pop-up box. Select Invite to set the abilities for this vendor invited into this event. Select Invite for the invitation email to be sent to this collaborator. If you are a host, planner, caterer, or other vendor account, you will be able to add the venue for your event by selecting the Plus Add Venue field. Simply search for the venue you are utilizing for your event within the search bar, and venues will populate that have common naming. If the venue populates, then we have their floor plans in our library. Select the venue you wish to use. If the venue you have selected has an AllSeated account, you will have the option to invite or not invite the venue into the event. If the venue is invited, they will receive the email invitation. If the venue does not populate in the AllSeated venue database, then you will be able to easily submit diagrams and dimensions for the AllSeated Floor Plans team to build and upload into the system. Please review the Floor Plan Wizard tutorial for an in-depth walkthrough on how you can submit the floor plans. Once an external collaborator has been added, you will have the ability to update permissions set by hovering your cursor over the external collaborator and selecting the Person and Lock icon. Select the permissions you wish to update and click the Update button. You will also be able to lock hosts, planners, and caterers from an event and delete additional vendors.